Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Olori, and today I'll be talking to us on the reasons why we have to have sex regularly. The topic of sex is something that is rarely talked about, either in religious places like the churches, the mosque, and some other places. And the thing is that the topic of sex is something that should be talked about. It's something that we should discuss about. After all, sex is something that happens almost every time, almost every day in homes, among couples and things like that. So it's something that we have to educate ourselves about. It's something that should be talked, that should be discussed about, so that we can learn more about it. The thing is that some people believe that sex is for reproduction, that is for having babies, while some believe that it's for pleasure. But there are some things that we derive from having sex, either knowingly or unknowingly. There are a lot of things that we derive by having sex regularly, and that's the thing that I'll be discussing about now. And number one of them is that it builds emotional intimacy. The thing is that if you see couples that are having sex regularly, you will see a kind of love, you see a kind of bond, you will see love radiating among them. You will see that they are always closer to each other. You will see them always having romantic affairs, romantic relationship, unlike couples that rarely have sex. In fact, we have some extremists that even believe that it's only when the wife is ready to have baby that they should have sex. This is not supposed to be. Sex is something that we should have often, like twice or thrice in a week. Whereas we see some couples, they do it like once in a week or twice in a month or things like that. Some people even stay away from sex for like 3 to 4 months. It's not supposed to be. When you see couples that are having sex regularly, there's no how you will see them. You will not see a kind of closeness, intimacy, bond between them. So I encourage couples, especially women, try and be having sex regularly with your partner. You will see that there will be less of arguments, less of misunderstanding, quarrel, and things like that at home. So another thing is that it builds immunity. At times we do believe that it's only by eating good food, fruits, or taking drugs that will build our immunity. Even having sex builds our immunity. People might not know, but the thing is that when you have sex, there are some products that having sex infuses in our body that you might not even know. But the thing is that it makes you more healthy when you are having sex regularly. And another thing is that it increases cardiovascular health. Even studies have shown that men that have sex regularly, like twice or thrice in a week, they hardly have the issue of heart attack, unlike men that have it maybe once in a week, twice in a month, and things like that. So women, especially women, that you're always pushing your husband away anytime he comes to you for closeness, for intimacy and things like that, you are always saying no or pushing him away. The thing is that you are helping him. By having sex regularly with your husband, you are helping him so that he will not have all this kind of heart attack, heart problems, and the rest of them. Another thing is that it relieves pains. This one is very common among women. Probably by the time you come back from your place of work, from your shops, and wherever you have gone to, we got to complain about being tired, having pains in our body, and things like that, in excuse for having sex. The thing is that even that time that you are complaining of sex and complaining of pains all over your body, you just try and have sex. Before you know it, you just discover that the pains you are complaining about, they've all gone. You will not even know. All you just discover is that you don't have those pains again. But the thing is that you might not even know that it is the sex that you just had that have taken away all the pains in your body. So anytime you are having pains, especially body pains, you are complaining of headache and things like that, you just try and have sex with your partner, and before you know it, that pain you are complaining about will be a thing of the past. Another thing is that it prolongs longevity. When you're having sex regularly, you'll be healthy, you'll be fit, you'll be agile, you'll be looking fresh, you live long. So if you are not having sex, the thing is that you are just depriving yourself of good things. Even longevity is a good thing. Everybody prays to live long, to live till old age, and having sex is one of the things that can help you to stay long, to live long. So why depriving yourself of good things of life? I encourage us today, women, allow your husband, anytime he comes to you, allow him to do the truth. Enjoy yourself by having it. So now that we hear that it's prolonged longevity, I believe that some people will make it a point of duty to be having it regularly. Another thing is that it increases blood circulation. Imagine, it's just like going for an exercise. You know, when you do all these mind exercise like running, like swimming, like walking a far distance and things like that, you get to have blood circulation. Blood will flow all over your body. The same thing with having sex. So you know, at times when you have sex, you have this kind of beating in your heart. It helps blood to circulate all over your body, which also helps you to stay fit, to stay healthy and things like that. So another thing is that it makes you to sleep better, especially when you have it in the night. You will sleep better. It will just look as if you've taken something like sedative or all these sleeping pills and the rest of them. You will sleep better. You will sleep deep. You will sleep sound. If you're the kind of person that you are going to work at the next day, probably you have set your alarm. Your alarm will ring and you will not even hear, because you would sleep deep into your heart. So if you are the kind of person that you don't sleep normally, you don't sleep very well, just try and having sex regularly, and before you know it, you will see that you'll be sleeping well and you'll be sleeping better. Another thing is that it improves overall fitness. When you're having sex, men, you'll be good, you'll be fit, you'll be agile. You will not even know what is making you so agile like that. It even makes you look younger than your age when you're having sex regularly. I know if I tell some people my age, you will not believe it. So the thing is that I just want to encourage my fellow women, try and having sex regularly. It helps you a lot, likewise your husband too. So try as much as possible to be doing it in order to stay fit, to stay healthy, to stay agile, even without taking drugs. So that is it. Another thing is that it reduces the chances of depression. You know, at times, incidents from the past, things that has happened or things that are happening presently might make one to be depressed. But the thing is that if you are the kind of person that you are having sex regularly, forget it. Depression will not be a thing for you. If you are having sex regularly, your body will just control that kind of depression that you will not even feel it again. Even all those things that is bringing that thinking of depression to you, that is making you to think, that makes you to be depressed, having sex regularly will just erase all those kind of things. It will help you a lot, health-wise, and in some other areas of life. So try as much as possible to be doing it. Even doing it every day does not have any harm that it does to you. So try as much as possible to engage in having sex like twice, thrice, or even every day of the week. Another thing is that it makes you feel better throughout the day. When you have sex, probably in the morning before going to work, before going out, you just be happy. You'll be agile, you'll be gallivanting, even without knowing the cause of your happiness. If you are in your place of work, people will just see you as a happy person. At times when you see some guys that they'll just come to office in the morning, they'll just be happy, they'll just be jumping, their body will not even stay in one place, they'll just be moving up and down. And you see people say, Oga, what is the problem? It's like, you did that thing before you left home this morning. That is what having sex can do to you. And at times, you see some people, they'll just be moody, they will not be happy, and you will see people gossiping that it's like his wife has not given him that thing to do. So they know that not having sex can make someone unhappy, it can make someone moody and things like that. There are still a lot of things that having sex does to our body even without us knowing it. So I encourage us today, I implore us, especially women, try and have sex with your partner regularly, and as you are doing it, be happy doing it. Here I stop today. If you enjoyed today's video, kindly give a like, share, give a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and God bless you. We'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.